Organic power pole. Huh? I got one. Yep. Micro chatter. I was just saying, I was like, there's always something on this break. At least one fish. That break is usually money. Ugh. No, go away. Freaking birds. That wasn't even top water. What the heck? That fish was that fish must be hungry. Jeez, bro.
Probably the same one I hit.
I think so. Pretty sure. There's another one there too. I mean, I got hit a couple times. Ooh. Let me go back into that slack water. For real. This one's decent too. Like a 1.5 pounder. 1.5 pounder. Oh yeah. Uh-huh. Yeah, because you always throw the bullet. Mm-hmm. The what? Oh yeah, yeah, for sure, man. Pop art is classic, man. Thanks, bud. Oh yeah, yesterday C was killing on micro jig. There you go. Yeah, that's a decent one too. Let's go, dude. Speaking of the micro jig. Huh? Oh, I got some if you need more. I got some. I got a bunch if you need more. I have like 4 or 5. Oh, easy release. This is actually, to me, this is like perfect weather. Whoa, let's go. Yeah, right in the current, bro. Yeah. Oh, spat out. I know, dude. It's so crazy. Oh, do you? Nice. Nice. Take it. We will take it. We will take it. The only reason I set the hook is because I saw that one. I was trying to adjust the trolling motor. And I was like, oh, bite. Thank you, buddy. Alright. Come down, homie. Come down, homie. Alright. Thank you. See ya. Micro chatter. Just throw micro chatter. No need for glide. No, I was kidding.
No need glide.
I think if the water, well, you know, you might be able to pull one here. It's just I don't know if they're very big, so it's a lot of like the 1 pounders here. Now you want numbers. This one's not bad. Yeah, double up. Double up. Oh, paddle tail. All right, let's go. Wow. Why is it fighting so good, bro? Why is it fighting so good? Because the current. It probably is too. Yeah. Oh jeez, that wind. All right, we gotta take a double photo for the guys. Hey, they're a little fatter this time. Yeah, that's not bad. That's not bad at all.
Llama?
Llama, dude. Okay, he is fighting. I don't know if he's big or not. No, he's just scrappy. Oh, he's not bad. Okay, I'll take him. Llama, bro. Oh, yep. He smacked it, dude. He took it hard. in that slower area. Yeah, I think they're schooling. There might be a few grouped up in that slower area. Dude, Jesus, come up, bro. Come up, bro. Come up, bro. You ain't that big. Oh, it's not bad, actually. Might be the biggest one of the day. Yeah, it might be the biggest of the day.
Yeah, biggest today so far.
Let's go.
How come you didn't want Baba Shantra?
Nah, he's not the biggest. Well, he might be the biggest of the day still, but I think he's just a low or a high one. High one, yeah. Thanks, bud. Yeah.
Worm color looking at it.
Yeah. Being risky. Tinker! Let's go. Like I said, what I love about this is that this is the same lava tube that I've killed it on my last 2 trips on. Haven't changed the plastic at all, bro. That's what I love about it. Oh, thanks, bud. You catch this fish when nothing else does, man. Good. Especially these little guys. These little guys, they can't. They don't. I don't know. They get picky with their food. Alright, let's go, buddy. See ya. Behind the rock. Yeah, buddy. I need the llama too. The freaking llama too. That was awesome. That was actually a good cast. Put it right over it. Still bit with 1 tentacle. This guy is jumpy. Man.
I just feel like
Oh, yeah, probably. But you know, I heard that Quick Trip they have they have an actual kitchen. Yeah. This guy is fighting, dude. Jeez. You're only like a 1 pound, 1.5 pound. I probably had to switch my lava tube. They're what? Yeah, they're hash browns. Yeah, I like the hash browns too. Oh, this guy is fat. Small but fat. He's been caught before too. Ugh. See you, bud. Okay, it's time to switch this tube out. Yep. The micro jig. Jeez. Yeah, might just be like a bottom contact Ned type of day or something. Yeah. Yep. Oh yeah. Yeah, we do. Woo. Why so feisty? Huh? Yep, it is an Ned head. Yeah, no, well actually my my cousin or my nephew customized it for me. Yeah, he tied it for me. Yep. Thanks, buddy. Just need to put a weed guard on it.
Is Elastomer the actual name of it?
I think so.
Oh, already got one.
Oh, let's go! Let's go! Dude, they're still by that rock, man. That's crazy. Bigger too? Or same size?
Oh, okay.
Oh, I guess. Oh, okay. There was still one behind there. Oh, that one's better. Oh, he spat me out. No, he didn't. He just came towards us. Woo. Oh, he's better. That's an actual 2-pounder. It looks like an actual 2-pounder. That was, yeah, you saw how my lure got stuck on the rock? And then I just dropped it under. It must be replenishing, man. And there's no way there's that many smallies behind that one rock. It's like,
stupid wind.
I know. Oh, that one's decent, dude. Yeah. That one's a decent one. I thought it got stuck, dude. I was about to bow an arrow, and then I felt it move, and I was like, oh wait, that's not a stuck. Like, that's a fish. Ooh. Yeah. Oh, dude! No? Oh, now you're stuck. Yeah, 2-pounder. Thanks, buddy. Thanks for playing. Thanks for playing. Yeah. Oh, over there, dude. Bro. It's a micro jig, bro. Micro jig. Ugh. Ugh. Oh, yeah. Hook sets are free. I'll throw a few more. Oh my gosh.
I didn't do that before.
Have you? It's a good spot though. Look at that natural entry. You got a fish, bro. That natural entry got a fish. Oh shoot. The natural entry.
I saw that the whole time, dude. And then that crept the freaking cats on over there.
The freaking micro Ned, man, or micro jig. Micro jig. Damn, bro. Natural entry. I know. It's those crawls, man. They want those little crawls. That's why. Yeah. Yeah, dude. I can give you the. All you need is the plastic. If you want the plastic, if you just want the plastic, you can put that on anything, huh? Oh my goodness! Right on the drop, dude. Yeah, there's some on the right too if you want to try the right. This one feels bigger. Nah, he's not bigger. He's the same size. Just fights good. Ooh. Good colors, man. Love the colors on this one.
Just like Garner Turtle.
Ooh, this guy's fat, dude. Jeez, football shape. He's like a stubby 2-pounder, bro. Stubby 2-pounder. Maybe it's a 2. It's just so fat, that football. Thanks, bud. Yep, the whole area is good. When we go all the way up till we pass the island. Yeah, there you go! Yeah! Triple hook set. Let's go. Huh? Oh, really? Okay. Yeah, like I said, those rocks produce sometimes. Yeah. Micro jig, micro jig. Yeah. Oh, we would have doubled up, dude. Oh my god, dude. BFS, man. Huh? That's the one that kept taking your appendages, bro.
Luckily, I just have these in my
The jig heads? Yeah, like I said, you can just net rig them too, man. Yeah, it doesn't really matter.
Oh man, it's so cheap that the hook freaking.
Oh, the hook broke. Daiso, huh? I didn't think he was that big. Probably not. It's just that he's in a current. He's right in that current right there. Oh, is it? Oh, yeah, it is. Jeez. Yeah, I saw that top fin. I was like, okay. He was where he should have been. I know. This one totally could have. Oh, yeah, that's a decent one. Yeah, it is. Yep, it is. 2 pound, for sure, 2-pounder. Yeah, thanks, buddy. Flat stomach.
That's not as big as the one you got earlier.
No, it's not.
That guy was fatter.
That guy was fatter. But I will take him. Yep. Oh, natural entry. Natural entry, bro. I told you that natural entry, bro. That natural entry. Heck yeah, dude. Natural entry. Oh, he spat out something. Yeah. That must have been the male. But you know, at least we know. Oh, let's go, dude. Let's go. Yeah, fatty. That one's a fatty, dude. Nice. All right, I gotta switch my plastic. Huh?
Way more funny than the
Yep. All right, good fish, good fish. Epic. Whoa! Heck acrobatic, bro. Heck acrobatic. Dude, that thing was like 5 feet in the air, man. That fish got that 48-inch vertical. Shoot, I gotta get in. Oh my gosh. Okay. That's a solid fish too. Shoot. Oh, easy release. Yep. Whoa, he's fat. Not very long, but he's fat, dude. Yeah, buddy. That's a fatty, dude. Alright. Yeah, they do, man. Yeah, I'm throwing that mini jig. Oh, this one's actually decent, dude. It was bigger than I thought. It might be a 3-pounder finally. Yeah, they are. That was dirt shallow. Oh, don't go between my legs, bro. Oh, look at that. Heck of football. He's not a 3-pounder, but he is a football. Wow. Jeez. Nice. If he was longer, he'd be a 3. But this is the guy you want to catch in 2 years. Thanks, bud. Oh, let's go, dude. Maybe they're shallower than we... Oh, dude, they must be shallower than I thought. They're not over there. They're here. Yeah. Jeez. Dude, he bit right behind that weed patch. He was hiding right under it. I let my lure go under it, and boom, there he was. Wow. That's the river sometimes, man. Sometimes on the river, they'll go in inches of water, bro, to eat. Bro, I didn't even know I had a fish on. I left my lure in the water when I was trying to get that handle fixed. Slip Z. Let's go. Ooh, jigging it, huh? Yeah, natural power pole. Yeah, they got one. Yeah. I told you there's some in there. You got one too? Let's go. Came off. Oh, just grass. Just hit that current seam, bro. If you can hit that current seam, they should be in there. Yeah, thank you, waterfall fish. Oh yeah, let's go. Oh, came off. Thanks, buddy. It's okay. I know there's more there. Keep on fishing. Got one. Dang. It's crazy watching me horsing with BFS over the weeds. Dude, this is a decent one. Or it probably just feels decent because of the current. No, it's decent. It's like a 2 pound. He's fat. He's not long, but he's fat. Yeah, just hit that left side up, dude. Heck yeah. Ooh, that wind. Oh my goodness, that wind. Yeah. Thank you, buddy. See ya. Let's go. Yeah. Yeah, they're a little more to the left, like right at the bottom of that. Yeah. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh, we're still stuck on something apparently. I mean, that's fine. Cause I got one! I got one out there! It was all the way out there! What the heck? Where's this wind taking us? I know! Thank you. Oh, you still have it! You still have it! High two, low. High two. Yeah, dude. Yeah, you're. Oh yeah, let's go. Tinker. Tinker. Yeah. Thanks, buddy. Broke the silence. Hmm? I know. Yeah. So. Finally got it. Yep. Sleeper crawl. Sleeper crawl. Huh? Yep. Sleeper crawl is a little bit heavier, so I switched to it. Thanks, bud. Yep. There's a few that you could do. Oh, got another one! On BFS. No, it's on BFS. Yeah. You know what you could try doing? I bet you there's more fish there. We could try going upward, and then, yeah, and then, because then the current shouldn't affect you as much. Because we used to do that too. We used to face towards the boulder. Oh yeah, easy release. Good. Now I can just focus on controlling. Oh, I got another one, dude. That was right below us. What the heck?
Only you, bro.
I don't know, man.
I got no.
Just throw it there and do nothing. Just do nothing. It's the skirt. Before they wanted it, they wanted a micro jig. Now they want just Ned, just straight up Ned. That stretch just gets crazy. Yeah, that's right. Yep, yep, that's right. Me and you. I don't know, man. They're like original user.